everybody, here we are again with another redstone creation episode. And today I have a pretty special surprise. I know what you're thinking, what is this? This cube, sloppy redstone mess thing you built right now. And I'll show you. I have made myself a Connect 4 board. Yes, you've heard me, a Connect 4 board. And the reason for all the redstone is because I wanted the buttons to be one in front of the board, so you don't have to like turn, press, look, turn, press, look, because that seems kind of tedious. And also, I didn't want two sets of buttons for each person. I wanted them to both be able to use the same set of buttons, so it's more compact in this area, not really the redstone area, but I'm sure I could probably make that even more compact. Because it took a little bit of fiddling around to finally get it right. So I'll show you how, let's test it out. Ready? So as you can see, sand indicated that the sand's gonna drop first, and then gravel is gonna turn on. These also indicate when you can press the buttons because you don't want to just mash it. So there you go. See how you can do that, and place this here. So it's pretty cool. It works great. Not that much. You don't even get that much lag. As you can see, I'll just throw open the frame rate thing right here. Press this down. Pretty good. It handles pretty well. Even though you hear a lot of pistons going off, it was kind of necessary in the way I made this. But yeah, you got a Connect 4 board. It's got a hay background. So let me go into how this works real quick. So I'm gonna break the flooring here real quick. Bam. In here we have when you push the buttons, this lets one, like whenever you hit the button, one redstone signal comes down for that specific button, so it knows what thing up here to drop. It may look really like a lot of redstone, like, oh, what does this all do? But each one goes to each one, like I said. Feeds up here. Now this could have been done probably a little better, but I just didn't feel like redoing it because it took me a while to finally figure out how this would work. So this goes up like this, and then it's kind of just redstone signals. These torches go on, these torches go off, so on, so on, so on. Reaches here. Now this is where it will let the signal go through. But since I had to use both, I wanted to use the same set of buttons. The signal down here also goes in the other direction. So I needed some kind of device to let it know not to let these pistons trigger when these pistons are supposed to trigger. So as you can see, I have this row here, which lets the signal go through, and I have this row right here, which lets the signal touch the pistons. The machine that I used is right over here. Now this it looks kind of complicated, but I'll explain it real quick. You have this machine right here. Get a piece of redstone out to show you. You have this machine right here. Now, when I trigger this, it only emits like a quick pulse. So watch this, ready? Real quick pulse. So that'll saves time. So it's leaving a little quicker, and it pushes the this thing pushes over, but I can't. Like I said, it's using the same signal, so they both go at the same time. So once again, I'll just show you yet again. They go at the same time, but since this piston's up and this piston's down, it will only go to that certain piston, allowing it to switch. And what you want is a delay right here, so that the piston doesn't come down while there's still a redstone signal coming through here. So it doesn't take that much delay, it's just a 1 second delay, so not that difficult, just one on each side. And it's also hooked up to this thing, which allows the pistons to push, which is nice. I should probably move that here actually to be even quicker. So that differentiates which one is going to be triggered. So that was pretty cool. That was a little hard to figure out. And like I said, the redstone it just goes underneath here, and goes all the way back, hits those, and it goes on, off, on, off, on, off till it reaches the top. And it'll trigger these, which goes through these, which touches those. And that pretty much creates a Connect 4 board that lets you use the same buttons. And I'm sure you could tell right now, like I had a lot of room make this like closer, work the back. Well, this is actually pretty good. The whole back thing like gets real tight to the building. It's only got like a 1 block gap. I could probably put this machine underground. Like you don't have to have all this above, so it could look even better. So in case you want to build it, kind of have a little bit of an overview of how do you let this work. So I thought it was pretty cool. Right here we have a clear button, just pushes out the pistons, and since there's redstone there, breaks the blocks anyways. So bam, you're ready for your next game. Grab some sandiola and some gravel here, and just refill it at the top. Build a ladder up. If you want to build this in an adventure mode rather than creative, go ahead. You go down, and you're ready to play again. Like it says, sand turn, gravel turn, reset right here, and that's pretty much the awesomeness of the Connect board I have made. I am Skip Major. Thank you for watching.